Good morning, children. Today we are going to see Unit 7. This is the poem The Stick Together Families, which is written by Edgar Albert Guest. This is the glossary of the poem The Stick Together Families. The first word is conventions, a large formal meeting of people who have a similar interest. Convention is nothing but a formal meeting, that is, people who are sharing their similar interest. So it's a meaning of conventions. Shatter means to break anything into a very small pieces. So it's a meaning of shatter. Astray means away from the correct path or correct way of doing something. So it's a meaning of astray. Next one is myth. Myth means laughter, humor, or happiness. So this is the meaning of myth. Comrade. Comrade means a friend or else a colleague or fellow. So this is the meaning of comrade. This is the biography of the poet Edgar Albert Guest, who was born in 20 August 1881 and is died in 5 August 1959, who was a British born American poet who became known as the People's Poet. His poems often had an inspirational and optimistic view of everyday life. That is Edgar Albert Guest, who is born as a British person and who made himself as a American poet. That is, he gave his contribution in American literature so that he became American poet, and after sometimes he become a people's poet. And his poems is always inspirational one, and he projected the optimistic view of life, which means he approached everything in a positive way. So this is the optimistic view of everyday life, and this is the first stanza of the poem. The stick together families are happier by far than the brothers and sisters who take separate highways are. The gladdest people living are the wholesome folks who make a circle at the fireside that no power but death can break, and the finest of conventions ever held beneath the sun, or the little family gatherings when the busy day is done. So, in the first line, so what is the first line? That is the stick together family. So, what is the meaning of the stick together families? That is joint family. Yes, so the stick together families is always happy forever by ages. So you could see in that is there is two types of family, that is nuclear family is there and the joint family is there. In nuclear family there that is a mother, father and their son will be there, and in joint family mother, son, father and grandma, grandpa and uncle, auntie, cousins, so everybody is there. So here the poet says that the joint family is always the happiest people by ages than the brothers and the sisters who take separate highways are. So that is, brothers and sisters, they often searching their own way for them. The gladdest people living are the wholesome folks who make. So, what is the meaning of gladdest? That is, happiest people. They are often leading their life in the happiest way, and also they are creating some folks. Folks means stories, no? Yes. And the next line is a circle at the fireside that no power but death can break. So that is, you could see in that is joint family. They always love to sit like a circle at the fireside, and they are sharing their stories or experience. So likewise the poet says that is a circle, that is a joint family. They are always spending their time with family members at the fireside. That is, no power will break them but death can break. That is, so that is joint families often love to sit together and they are sharing their experience and their happiness, and no power, no weapon will break them, but death is the only one weapon which break their relationship. Okay. That is, the death is the only one weapon which break their unity. The next thing is, and the finest of conventions ever held beneath the sun. So, what is the meaning of conventions? So, we already seen that. That is a meeting. That is a formal meeting, no? Yes. So, on the finest of conventions ever held beneath the sun. That is, they had a finest meeting under the sun. Or the little family gatherings when the busy day is done. That is, joint family is often loves to make gatherings even the busy day is done. So this is the explanation of the first stanza. The next stanza is, they are rich folk, they are poor folk who imagine they are wise, and they are very quick to shatter all the little family ties. Each goes searching after pleasure in his own selected way, each with the strangers like to wander, and with the strangers like to play. But its bitterness they harvest, and its empty joy they find. For the children that are wisest are the stick together kind. That is, they are rich folk, they are poor folk. So, what is the meaning of rich folk and poor folk? That is, rich people and poor people, they imagine that they are very intellectual people, and they are often shatter their little family's unity, and they searching their own pleasure on their own way, and they are wandering, that is, each with strangers like to wander, and with the strangers like to play. That is, they are wandering a new relationship with someone. That is, they are finding their own happiness on someone, on strangers. Yes, that is, they neglected to spending their time with their family members, and they are focusing in their own way. That is, they are finding, they are searching their own happiness on strangers, so that they are wandering, and they are loves to play with the strangers. On them they are searching their own happiness, but it's bitterness they harvest. So what they harvest? They harvest only bitterness. Yes, and it's empty joy they find. So that is, they find only empty joy on strangers. Yes, so they fail to find the joy on their own family. Yes, so that is, they fail to find happiness on their own family, and they are searching their own happiness on strangers. At last, they find that only bitterness is remained for them. And that is, so this is the line, but it's bitterness they harvest. So what they harvest? They harvest only bitterness on strangers. It's a empty joy they find. So who find? That is a people who are finding, that is, they are searching some happiness on strangers, but at last only they realized that they only harvest the bitterness, which seems as an empty joy they find. For the children that are wisest are the stick together kind. So that is, the children, they thought that they are very wisest people, and they are the stick together. Yes, so this is, that is, they try to find their own happiness on strangers. At last they could realize that bitterness is only remain for them. That is, they find the empty joyness on strangers. For the children that are wisest or the stick together kind. So that is, if children is joined with their own family, that is, in joint family, that time only they become a wisest people, wisest children. Okay. The next thing is, there are some who seem to fancy that for gladness they must roam, that for smiles that are the brightest they must wander far from home, that the strange friend is the true friend, and they travel far astray. They waste their lives in striving for a joy that's far away. But the gladdest sort of people when the busy day is done, or the brothers and the sisters who together share their fun. So what happened in the sense that is there are some who seem to fancy. What is the meaning of fancy? It's nothing but imagination, no? Yes. So that is some people they often imagine that they want to roam anywhere to find their own happiness. That for smiles that are brightest they must wander far from home. That is, they forget to find their own happiness on their home, on their families, but they are finding their happiness from far from home, and they are finding their happiness in anywhere. That the strange friend is the true friend. So where they are where they are finding their own happiness, that is they are finding their own happiness on strange friends, so that they forget their own family and they are fantasy to roam anywhere to find their happiness, and they find a strange friend who is true friend, but they that is they traveled their wrong path and they forget to travel on the true path. So what is the meaning of path? Path means it's a way. Yeah, okay. So that is people who forget their families and they finding their own happiness on anywhere, so that they are roaming anywhere to find their own happiness, so that they neglect their home and they are selected their own way to find a happiness on stranger. So that is, the stranger become a true friend. But what happened? That is, they traveled in a wrong path. They waste their lives in striving for a joy that's far away. So what happened? That is, they wasted their own lives for finding their happiness. That is, they are traveling in a wrong path. But the gladdest sort of people when the busy day is done. So who is gladdest sort of people? That is happiest people. Who is happiest people? That is the joint family is happiest people. They are sharing their own happiness when they are joined together during the busy day. Or the brothers and the sisters who together share their fun. So who are sharing their own fun, that is the brothers and sisters, they are joined together and they are sharing their own fun. Yes, this is the last stanza. It is the stick together family that wins the joy of earth, that hears the sweetest music and that finds the finest myth. It's the old home roof that shelters all the charm that life can give. There you find the gladdest playground, there the happiest spot to live. And oh weary, wandering brother, if contentment you would win, come you back unto the fireside and be comrade with your kin. So that is, it's stuck together family that wins the joy of earth. That is, a joint family only can feel the joy of the earth. The next line is that hears the sweetest music and that finds the finest myth. That is, the joint family only can realize the sweetest music and the finest happiness on the earth. It's the old home roof. So here the old home roof means joint family is the only shelter which provide all the charms of the life. There you find the gladdest playground. So that is, in joint family is the happiest place like a playground and the happiest spot to live. And oh weary wandering brother, if contentment you would win. So this is the happiest thing. So that is, the joint family only will provide the happiness in our life. And in the last line, the writer, that is the author, who is calling the people to come back the fireside to be a comrade with your kin. So that is the poet who asking the people to come back to the family side and to be a comrade and to have the relationship with relation. So this is the last stanza, and this is personification. Personification, what is personification? It's a personification, it is a figure of speech in which an inanimate object or abstraction is given human qualities or abilities. So this is personification. So personification is, it's a kind of figure of speech which inanimate object or abstractions which is given a human qualities. So that is considered non-living thing as a living thing. It's a personification. That is, it sticks together family that brings the joy of earth. That is, the joint family will provide the joy of earth. So this is imaginary. Imaginary is also it's a representing objects, actions, and ideas. So this is imaginary, and this is metaphor. Metaphor is also figures of speech, and that is which makes implicit or implied or hidden comparison between two things. That is, to comparing two things in order to provide the hidden meaning. This is metaphor. I hope you understood well. Thank you.